chamber and the lower chamber to it. All right. First, we need to find an indicator muscle. Inhale. Exhale, press this leg up to the ceiling. That's a strong muscle. What muscle was that, Ted?
Rectus femoris.
Rectus femoris.
Oh.
Yes, it's okay, it's okay. All right. Okay, so what I need you to do is put this fingertip on the right side of your pubic bone. Got it? Okay, right side first. Now I want you to contract your peeing muscles about 3 times. Okay. Inhale. Exhale, press this leg up to the ceiling. Okay, good. Now put your finger on the other side. Lower this leg down. Contract your peeing muscles 3 times. Inhale. Exhale, press this leg. Now put this finger in the space between your anus and your sternum. Contract your pooing muscles 3 times. Inhale. Lower the leg a little. Huge inhale. Exhale, press this leg. And the other side. You can lower this leg that wants to do. You can use the other hand if it's easier. Let me know when you contract it 3 times. Okay. Inhale. Exhale, press it. On exhale.
No.
So there is something going on in this pelvic floor that doesn't stabilize here, here, and here. So that's how you've worked it out, and now you've got to. Well, I mean, you could go into obturator internus, what you guys did yesterday, and you can also release from palpating the pubic symphysis, the pubic bone.
So you're using the rectus femoris as an indicator of the finger to locate the test.
That's right. That's right. Yeah. So just lay down a second. Are you alright with my hands here?
Yeah.
So pubic bone is here, and it's the left side of the tissue, right? Do you feel that way? Do you feel the difference between that side and this side? Okay. So, and then when you're working on this area, it's the same thing. It's a press. You can't really determine which direction because there's so many things joining here. Yeah.
For what?
Prostate issues. Prostate issues is this. Test the adductors, test the pons.
Are you on the pubic symphysis right now?
Yeah, on the left side. Above it.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're on the pubic symphysis, when you get above it, it's almost like a suitcase handle.
Yeah.
And you can, like, if you're above it and you start to slide down and behind it, you can almost like hook your fingers on it like you're gonna grab a suitcase handle. And it's at that level, the rectus abdominis starts off superficial, but when it goes and attaches to the pubic symphysis, it dives beneath all the other layers. And then the rectus abdominis continues in a fascial continuity into the pelvic floor. So as much as we say it attaches to the pubic symphysis, it really just runs continuous into the pelvic floor. So people who have a hypertonic lower abdominals tend to also have that hypertonic pelvic floor. People who tend to have that ultra weak pelvic floor, or excuse me, lower abdominals, can also then have that congruent weak pelvic floor.
So based on what Brian just said there, if I was to test somebody and they fail these 3 tests, both adductors, rectus abdominis, this person has some issues around sexuality, the ability to thrust. And you would work on the pubic symphysis.
And the first 2 times, where was he touching?
Above the pubic bone.
Above the pubic
Yeah,
bone.
one
And
left,
then he
one
was
right,
turning.
and then, yeah.
And that work that he's doing right now, I've found is also very good for people who have lower back SI joint issues. And sometimes what I'll just do is like he's going at an angle to the pubic symphysis, right or left. Sometimes that's all I'll do is hold the point with a slight vector force going at, like he's going towards the angle of his left thigh. And as they breathe in, you apply a little force. As they exhale, you can like move with it. And slowly but surely, as you increase the mobility of that joint, then all of a sudden the SI can start to free up as well. So it's interesting. Sometimes we don't want to work on the site that's inflamed, but we go to the opposite.